Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to equip and get rod skins in Fischl Roblox. In Fischl Roblox, rod skins are cosmetic enhancements that let you personalize your fishing rods. To get them, you need to find skin merchants, which are NPCs located in a place like Moosewood Island, Ancient Isle, Roselit Bay, Mushgrove Swamp, Forsaken Shores, Snow Island, The Depths, and Desolated Deep. These merchants sell different crates that contains rod skins. For example, the Moosewood crates cost 25,000 seed dollars, the Desolated crates cost 75,000 seed dollars, and the Ancient Isles crates cost 175,000 seed dollars. Each crate includes skins with different rarities and drop enhances. For instance, the Crown Glory skins for the King's Road has a 1.41% drop rate. Once you buy a crate, it will appear in your inventory. You need to equip the crate and open it to receive a random skin. To equip a rod skin, first open your inventory by pressing the correct key, usually 2. Then go to the equipment or skins section. Select the rod you want to customize and choose the skins you received. Keep in mind that some skins only work with specific rods, like the Polar skin, which is made for the magnet rod. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.